Good morning, everyone. Once again, this is Black Forest coming to you with another market analysis currency breakdown. This morning, we're going to be looking at the Great British Pound USD. But before we get started to break down this currency pair and this chart, we have to state that this video is for education purposes only. This is not financial advice. But we all know why you guys are here. You guys are here to find good, credible trading content that can help improve your ability as traders and that can help put some extra money into your pocket, especially in these troubling times when inflation is trying to squeeze every dollar out of our wallets as we try to support ourselves and our families. So we got to make the money together. Okay. All I ask that you do is you like, subscribe, and share our videos. Liking and subscribing, subscribing will allow will allow you to get updated news on our content through notifications on when we drop it, and also liking and sharing will allow our videos to get pushed out there in the YouTube, so we can continue to build our community of profitable traders. Because our goal is to build a community of profitable traders. Okay. Also, we also list our email address in the descriptions of every video that we make. So if you guys have any suggestions on different charts, doesn't matter what the security of the commodity is, it can be stocks, it can be metals, it can be crypto, whatever you guys want broken down, why don't you email us some suggestions, and whatever you guys email us, we'll break it down for you, because we're here to provide the service so you guys can have credible content about what's going on in the trading world. So as I stated, shoot us an email. Let us know which charts that you guys want to see broken down, and we'll go ahead and drop those videos. Okay, we're not one of those. We're not those type of people on YouTube that say reach out to us and you're never going to hear back from us. If you reach out to us, trust me, we'll apply what you ask. So if you say, "Hey, let me see a Bitcoin video," a Bitcoin video will be up. Okay. So with that being said, let's go ahead and break down what's happening with this chart and this currency pair. You know what we're going to do first? We're going to first start off breaking down what is happening with the currency pair and discuss the fundamentals. Okay, so let us start with the Great British Pound. Now, the UK has been suffering from a couple of different things. It's in going through very bad inflation. Europe is in worse inflationary position than we are in here in America. So it has that dark cloud of inflation hanging over it, and also there's a dark cloud of inflation hanging over the entire EU's and the entire European continent's economy as well, due to geopolitics and inflation being increased by these geopolitics and rising gas prices. Now, the UK's closest trading partner is the entire European continent. So, with that being said, economics 101, when your closest trading partner is weak, you're going to start to get even. We're going to be weak too, and being that you're already weak, which means you're going to get weaker. Okay. Then, on top of that, to couple it with that, we've been having some negative news come out about the Great British Pound. Last time we had some news come out about the Great British Pound was on the 13th, and it was it was some negative news come out. So we're having more negative news than positive news coming about with the British Pound. Now coupled with the dark clouds of inflation hanging over its economy, and coupled with the dark clouds of the geopolitics negatively affecting its economy, we're going to continue looking at a weakening Great British Pound. Okay. Now let us discuss what is happening with the USD. The USD has been one of our one of our stronger trading currencies coming into this week and heading into the midpoint of this trading week. Only thing about it is now it's starting to lose some trajectory on the speed of gaining back all the strength that it lost since the beginning of the year. And this is solely due to you're not going to always be running at your top speed or top pace. You're going to slow down some. Okay. Now we do have some economic news coming out about the U. We do have some economic news coming out about the USD around 10 o'clock Eastern time, just after the opening of the New York session. So we're going to have to see how that play. We're going to have to see how that plays out. We're going to see how that plays out going into the rest of the trading sessions for this day in the latter part of this trading week. If this news comes out very positive, very bullish, then we're going to see a very quick pacing and the gaining of the trajectory of the strength of the USD. If this news comes out very bearish or negative, then we're going, or somewhat negative, we're going to see a continuation of the slowdown of the strengthening of the USD. But I caution you, it does not mean that the USD is getting weak. The only thing it means is that, okay, does not mean the USD is getting weak. It just means the trajectory of its strength is slowing down. But it is still going to be one of our stronger currencies during the midpoint of this trading week. Now that we got done with all the fundamental analysis, now let's discuss what's happening on the chart. So as you can see, we were going down for a very, very long time, going down, going down. Then we picked back up in price, and now we're going down, going down. We picked back up in price, and now we're heading back down towards the short side. So this is where we at right here. We were going down. We did have some retracement up, but we are projecting that it's still going to end up going down even further than this current market structure here. Okay. Now it may pick up to even here or even here before it ranges out and go down. So here are the scenarios that's going to play out. We can range from this area and go down. We can range from this area and go down. Or we can pick up and range from this area before it continues to go down. So any buying that you will do or long positions that you will place would be only for the very, very, very short term, but more for the intermediate term. We're going to be looking at continuing in the dropping of the price in the Great British Pound USD pair. Okay. Hope that information was helpful for you guys. Happy trading.